Professional sprayer manufacturer. Reliable, customizable, OEM, ODM. Today, introduce our compact power sprayer. How to assemble and use with holder. 1. Remove the tab from the cap. Pull the straw out of the sprayer and extend it to the full length. 2. Insert the pin on the straw into the cap tightly. 3. Rotate the nozzle from off the spray or stream for using.